This is the Tortang Talong, Philippine style. Thank you so much for watching, and now we will try it. Tastes so good. Today we're going to cook Tortang Talong, and these are the ingredients. What do you cook in eggplant. What is eggplant? Aubergine. Mit ay on tomato. So I put some holes to the eggplant, and then I'll put it in the oven. Bake it for like 5 minutes, and then we're going to leave to remove the skin of the eggplant. Yeah, so that's it for now. For the first of all, we have to put the eggplants in the oven. This kind of eggplants are we have in Philippines, because here in Germany we usually get this big round eggplant, a huge eggplant, which, well, it doesn't really taste like this kind of eggplant. So that's why I'm so thankful I got this in the Pinoy shops online, and yeah, I'm lucky to get some of this eggplants from Asia. So let's start cooking. I preheated the I have a mini oven here, and yeah, so I'll put it here. I don't want to use the big oven for this. How many pieces? 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces of eggplants. Ten minutes. Okay, I will use 4 eggs. Medium-sized eggs. And then, yeah, a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Then I have here starch. I'll just add a little bit of water and mix it with eggs. Okay, this is starch, and now just mix it with egg. Okay, let's check the eggplant. Oh, shucks. I think it's okay, yes. 3, 4. So it looks okay. Let me check. Yeah, it's okay. And then we're going to peel the skin of the eggplant like this. It's a little bit hot. Okay, we're done peeling skin of eggplant. Looks like this now. All we have to do is just press it. Yeah. And then we will cook it. We will fry it with egg. Okay, now so we're going to cook. I will add just a little bit of oregano. Okay, first we add our onions. sibuyas. So while we're still cooking our onions, so Danya and I will marinate the eggplant. Okay, leave it there for a while. And we'll start doing this. Continue. And then we'll add the tomatoes. You can add a little bit of salt and pepper if you want, or soy sauce. I add a little bit of oregano and a little bit of pepper. I am trying to reduce salt, just because I already add salt here in my marinated eggplant, so I don't want it to be too salty, which is also not so healthy. Okay, now that it's cooked, I can add now the eggplant. I can fry it. Oh, so 1, 2. Let's see the 3, 4. Another one here in the corner, and the last piece here. Yeah, and then I can add the egg. Okay. Leave it there for a while. I always do it in a medium heat. Sorry. Oops, where's my cover? And then we will cover it for a while. Okay, let's check it. Not burning. I have to turn it upside down, but it was so hard to turn it upside down, so I didn't film it, but looks like this now. That is our Tortang Talong eggplant cooked in tomato and eggs. Good enough with you. Thank you so much for watching. It's a typical Filipino dish, actually. You can add banana ketchup or soy sauce for dip, as a dip for this recipe. And also, of course, with rice. You can also use bread, but mostly we eat it with rice, with plain boiled rice or fried rice. Okay. Okay, so that is our dinner for tonight. Eggplant, Tortang Talong, or Tortang eggplant. And yes, this is the finished product. Yummy. Gluten appetite. Thank you so much for watching. Here's Elle. If you like this kind of video, please do like and subscribe. Until next time, good appetit. This is the Tortang Talong, Philippine style. Thank you so much for watching, and now we will try it. tastes so good.